So in today's lecture of PDE, here we will be eliminating the arbitrary function and finding the PDE. Okay. So let me start with this. So first you will have to eliminate the arbitrary function and find PDE, that is partial differential equation. The first one which I will be solving in today's lecture is f of z minus xy comma x square plus y square is equal to 0. Now basically this equation is of this form, okay? That is f of u comma v is equal to 0. Now here what is my u? U is nothing but z minus xy and v is nothing but x square plus y square. Okay, so let me write down the formulas first. That is f of u into u of x, that is we are differentiating u with respect to x, plus fv into vx, I am differentiating x v with respect to x is equal to 0. This is equation 1, take it as 1. Second is f of u into u of y, I am differentiating u with respect to y, plus f of v into v of y is equal to 0. I am differentiating v with respect to y over here and take this as 2. So what is my u I have taken to be? This u is equal to nothing but z minus xy, which I have written to over here. V is equal to x square plus y square. From here what is v? Nothing but x square plus y square, this. Now differentiate this u with respect to x. What I am going to get is p minus x, p minus y. Okay, if I differentiate z with respect to x, what I am going to get is z is equal to dou z by dou x, which is equal to nothing but p. Okay. So let me give you all. Now v is equal to x square plus y square. Differentiate this with respect to x. So I will get only 2x because this is 0 plus 0. This will be the constant for this because I am only differentiating this with respect to x. Now what is uy? I am differentiating u with respect to y now. So I am going to get this as u is equal to q, because if I differentiate z with respect to y, so what I am going to get, dou z by dou y is equal to q, right? So I have written q minus x over here. If I differentiate this with respect to y, this z, if I differentiate with respect to y, I am getting q minus x, right? And vy differentiated with respect to y, so I am definitely going to get 2y. Now differentiate with respect to z, I am going to get 1, and this if I differentiate with respect to z, I will get 0. No doubt. Then f of u is what? Nothing but, what is this? I have to substitute these values in these two equations, that is whatever I got, the value of u of x, v of x, u of y into v of y, I have to substitute in this two equation. Now what is f of u? Write it as it is. Now what is u of x? U of x is nothing but p minus y. Plug the value over here. Plus f of v, write it as it is. Okay, and then v of x is nothing but 2x. Okay, so 2x I have written as it is equal to 0. F of u into what is this? U of y is what? Q minus x, plus f of v, what is v of y? 2y, right? Is equal to 0. Now what I'll have to do is multiply this with y and multiply this equation with x. Okay, so if I multiply this with y, what I am going to get is f of u into py minus y square plus fe 2xy is equal to 0. F of u qx, I am differentiating, meaning I am multiplying this with x, right? So qx minus x square it will be, okay, plus fv into 2xy is equal to 0. So this term will get cancelled. What will remain is this minus this, okay. So what you all are going to get, f of u, write it as it is common. So py minus y square, minus this minus and then qx minus x the whole square is equal to 0. Now what you all are going to do is f of u, write it as it is, open the bracket, py minus y square minus qx plus minus and minus will become plus, x square is equal to 0. Okay, then what you all are going to do is py, write this inside part over here, py minus y square minus qx plus x square is equal to 0. Now what you all are going to do, py minus qx, write it here, is equal to, now take this the other side. Okay, if this x square goes other side, it will become negative, so minus x square and this will become positive, right? So plus y square other side. Okay, so you can write down this as y square minus x square is equal to this py minus qx. Okay, so with this I am done with today's lecture. Thanks for watching.